On 18th August 2018, Ebonyi State Governor Chief David Umahi announced the plan for an airport in the state. On 6th September 2019, it was announced that the federal government of Nigeria gave approval to the state government to construct an international airport in Abakaliki. The airport project occupies a land space of 16 square kilometers at the boundary between Izar North and Izar South local government areas. The project has a 4.5 kilometer runway and a parallel taxiway of 3,100 meters with 7.5 meters shoulder on both sides. It will also have a control tower, facilities for air navigation, both visual and instrument flight throws. It also has a control cabin, terminal building for processing passengers, a cargo building, hangar and other associated facilities. Upon completion, the airport will be linked to the Abakaliki international market as to enable the people to import and export goods easily, and it will also spur more economic development to the state. The airport is set to be completed by 2022. The governor of the state said that the airport terminal is going to be the biggest terminal building in the country upon completion. I, Eboh, want to personally commend the governor of the state, His Excellency Chief Engineer David Umahi, for the great job he has done so far for the Ebonyi state. Other governors should indeed emulate from his actions and make Nigeria a better country for her citizens. Thanks for watching. I hope you find this video very informative, and if you did, please, I will appreciate if you give this video a thumbs up, share with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. I will see you when next I upload. Cody.